Find the coordinates of the vertex, focus, equation of the directrix, and axis for the parabola y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So here, what is given equation, ma? What is given equation?
Y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 is the given equation.
Yes. Okay. So this is not given in the standard form of the parabola. So that's why here, wherever we have the square, okay, sometimes we have square for x, sometimes we have square for y. Okay, here we have square for y. So write the y terms in the left side, y square plus 4y in the left side. Okay, remaining terms I am taking to right side. Remaining terms taking to right side. That means plus 4x becomes minus 4x and minus 3 becomes plus 3. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, so now I am writing this as y square, okay, a square minus 2ab form. I am writing this into a square minus 2ab form. Okay, so this is equals to minus 4x plus 3 as it is. I am writing this minus 4x plus 3 as it is. Now observe carefully. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab. What is missed here? B square is missed. Either add and subtract the b square term. Either add and subtract the b square term, or add on both sides. Otherwise, add on both sides. Okay. So here I am adding. What is b here? In place of b, we have 2. So that is nothing but adding 2 square on both sides. Adding 2 square on both the sides. On both the sides. If we add 2 square on both the sides, then y square plus 2 into y into 2. Okay. So just I am writing the terms as it is. What I did now? Okay, so now I am adding 2 square left side, adding 2 square in the right side. Okay, so left side part, observe carefully. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, y plus 2 whole square is equals to minus 4x is as it is, and 4 plus 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, now I am taking minus 4 common. I am taking minus 4 common. If we take minus 4 common, then what we get here? X and x as well as, okay, so here we took minus and 4. So we get 7 by 4. If you multiply again inside, we get the same here. Minus 4 into x minus 4x minus to minus plus. Okay, 4 into 7 by 4 means 4 cancel, we get 7. And y plus 2 whole square, I am writing it as y minus of minus 2 whole square. Y minus of minus 2 whole square. Okay, so now once observe carefully, it is in the form of, okay, y minus k whole square. Y minus k whole square is equals to minus 4a into x minus h r naught. Okay, just to check it carefully. Okay, so with that y minus of minus 2 whole square, y minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4. Okay, so now compare with the equation. Check the equations. Okay, so check the equations and properties table. Okay, already we discussed the parabola equations and properties. Okay, so just check the table and tell me the number. Okay, is it first property, first equation, second equation, third or fourth or fifth or sixth or seventh or eighth? What equation is? Okay, this.
It is the sixth equation, sir. Y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a times x minus h.
Yes, by comparing with y minus k whole square is equals to, tell me, minus 4a into x minus
x minus h.
Minus 4a into x minus h. Okay, once check the table and tell me. So is it the sixth equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, by comparing with that. Okay, so what is the k value? What are the values? Tell me the values one by one. Okay, so the value of k is equals to -2. And what is the
minus
value of,
2 and h is equal to 7/4.
yes, a value is 1 and h is equals to 7/4. Is it plus
7/4.
7/4 or -7/4? Minus h is -7/4, plus h
Plus
means
7/4.
plus 7/4 only. Okay, so now I am going to write the properties. Okay, I am going to write the properties. After getting the h, k and a values, now we can write the properties. What is the vertex? Tell me from the table. From the table, what is vertex? Vertex A is equals to, tell me fast.
H comma k, sir.
Very good. A is equal to h comma k is the vertex. So that is nothing but, what is h value? 7/4. What is k value? -2. Okay, h comma k is the vertex here. Okay, and what after vertex we have to write the focus. What is focus? Tell me the focus.
H minus a comma k.
Okay, focus S is equals to h minus a comma k. So
Comma k.
subtract a from the h value. Okay, and k is as it is, and so that is nothing but h value is 7/4. Okay, minus a -1 comma k. K is as it is, that is -2. Okay, so this is equals to LCM is 4. So that means 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 comma -2. Okay, what is 7 minus 4? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3/4 comma -2. 3/4 comma -2. This is the focus. After focus, he is asking the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Okay, so now check this and tell me equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Okay, so what is the equation of directrix, ma? Anybody?
X minus h minus k, a is equal to 0. A, not k, a.
Yes, yes. Okay, either x is equal to h plus a. Okay, x is equal to h plus a, or x minus h minus a is equal to 0. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you take h and a to left side, x minus h minus a. X minus h minus a. Okay, so that means if you substitute the values here, okay, x is equal to h value. H value is 7/4 plus a value 1. Okay, I'll take the LCM. LCM is 4. Okay, so 7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4? 11/4. Okay, so take this 4 to left side. Okay, so 4x is equals to 11. Or we can write 4x minus 11 equal to 0. Anyone is okay. Okay, either we can write like this or like this. Okay, this is the required equation of directrix. After that, what he is asking? He is asking axis of the parabola. What is the axis of the parabola? Okay, he is asking the axis. What is axis, ma? Axis of the parabola. Anybody?
Y minus k is equal to 0.
Very good. Y minus k is equals to 0, or y is equal to k. Y is equals to k. That means y is equal to, what is k value? K value is -2. Y is equals to -2, or y plus 2 equal to 0. Y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the okay axis of the parabola. It's very, very important. Okay, so here in this question, in this question, okay, he asked to find the coordinates of vertex, focus, equation of the parabola, equation of directrix, and axis for the parabola y square is y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Whenever he asks the question like this, okay, first take the equation. Okay, so and after taking the equation, just to check whether the square is given for x or y. Okay, wherever you have the square, okay, so take those terms in the left side, remaining terms right side. Okay, so here we have square for y So that's why y square term and y term, keep them in the left side. Remaining x term and constant, we took it, okay, so into right side. Okay, whenever we take the x term and constant, okay, to right side, we have to change the sign. Minus plus 4x become minus 4x and minus 3 becomes plus 4, plus 3. Okay, so after that, the next step is y square plus 4y. So this y square plus 4y, I am writing as y square plus 2 into y into 2. Okay, means we are trying to convert this left side part into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square formula. Okay, so that's why always he gives the a square plus 2ab term without b square term. We have to add that b square term in the left side as well as the right side on both sides, or otherwise left side only add and subtract. Okay, anyone is okay. Which is better? Adding b square term on both sides is better. Okay, so y square plus 2 into y into 2, that is 4y only. We written like that, means we are finding the b value. This is only the b value. So whatever we get in place of b, so adding square of that b means adding 2 square on both sides. Adding 2 square on both sides. That means y square plus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square left side and plus 2 square right side. Adding this 2 square on left side as well as right side. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a plus b whole square formula written here, and here, okay, minus 4x as it is, and 3 plus 4 is 7 written. Okay, so after that, now this y plus 2 writing as y minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2 only, whole square. Minus 4 I am taking common. Okay, so into x minus 7 by 4. We took minus also common. That's why plus term becomes minus. Minus term becomes plus. Okay, so now why we are writing like this and why we are taking common? So the reason is, okay, so we are converting, we are comparing with y minus k whole square is equals to minus 4a into x minus h. Once check the table, okay, and properties. Okay, this is the sixth equation, right? Y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. Okay, that's why. Okay, so we are writing in this form, exact form, y minus of minus 2 means y minus k whole square is equals to minus 4a into x minus h. So that comparison will be easy. Okay, by comparing we are getting k value and a value and h value. Okay, after getting all these values, okay, so now from this, okay, how we get that? Okay, so this is x-axis, y-axis, and parabola. We get the equation like this. We get the parabola left side open parabola. We get left side open parabola. Okay, so that's why vertex is h comma k. Vertex is not origin. Vertex is not origin. Okay, so somewhere we get the origin vertex. So that is h comma k. So h we know the h value and the k values. Okay, so that's I'm substituting the h and k values in this. Okay, so after that, focus is always inside the parabola. Inside the parabola means it is in the left side. Left side means already h comma k we have here. Inside means coming left side. Moving left side means we have to subtract a. Okay, since the distance is a, subtracting a from h value, the k is as it is. And after that, directrix. Directrix is always for the parabola. Directrix is always right side with a units distance. That's why x is equal to h plus a is a directrix. Okay, and after that, axis. If we come to the axis, this is the parabola. So and this is x h comma k. So that's why this is y is equal to k. Y is equal to k, and it is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. That is only the axis of the parabola. Okay. Here we go to the next question. Similar to this, we are okay. So here the question is given as find the okay. So coordinates of vertex, focus, equation of directrix, and axis for the parabola 3x square minus 9x plus 5y minus 2 is equals to 0. What is given here? Okay. So given parabola equation is 3x square minus 9x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, So now where we have the square, identify the square term. Okay, wherever we have the square, write the terms in the left side, remaining terms right side. Means we have square for x square. Means we have square for x. Okay, write 3x square and minus 9x in the left side. Remaining terms, send them in the right side. Okay, plus 5y becomes minus 5y and minus 2 becomes plus 2. Understood? Now, take 3 common. Take 3 common. Why? Because always we want, okay, so x square coefficient or y coefficient is equal to 1. Okay, so I am taking x square coefficient. Okay, so 1, so that means taking 3 common. Okay, so then 3 into x square minus 3 is a 9, so we get 3x is equals to minus 5y plus 2, minus 5y plus 2. Once observe carefully, 3 into x square minus 3 into x into 1 we can write. A square minus, sorry, this is minus 2ab, right? Okay, a square minus 2ab. Okay, so minus 2 into a is x only. A is x only. Whatever the coefficient we have for x, divide by 2 is the b value. Okay, here we have 3. So 3 by 2 is the value of b. 3 by 2 is the value of b. Okay, a square minus 2ab. Okay, b square is missed here. Okay, so I am taking one more step here. Okay, so minus 5 by 2. So now we want a b square value. We want b square value. Already I told you in the last problem, we can add, okay, so and subtract this 3 b square value left side, or otherwise adding on, okay, both sides, adding on both sides, anyone is okay. So here in this case, okay, so I am adding b square value and subtracting b square value immediately in the left side only. Okay, adding and subtracting, okay, 3 by 2 whole square, okay, adding and subtracting 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so in the left side part only, so then we get 3 into x square minus 2 into x into 2 into x into 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So here adding this 3 by 2 whole square, adding this 3 by 2 whole square and subtracting the 3 by 2 whole square, subtracting the 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so is equal to minus 5y plus 2, minus 5y plus 2. Okay, this is equals to 3 into, once observe carefully, a square minus 2ab plus b square till here. Okay, so it is a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula. That means x minus 3 by 2 whole square it is. Okay, minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so just okay, so simplify and write 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. 9 by 4 it is, 9 by 4. This is equals to minus 5y plus 2, minus 5y plus 2. Okay, so now send this 3 to right side, send this 3 to right side. Okay, if you send this 3 to right side, so what we get here? Okay, so 3 into x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so otherwise sending this 3 to right side. Okay, minus 9 by 4 is equals to, if you send this 3 to right side, here 3 is multiplying in the left side. If you take it to right side, divide by 3, divide by 3, minus 5y plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so after that, this 9 by 4 also I am sending to right side. Okay, x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 5 minus 5y plus 2 divided by 3 plus 9 by 4, plus 9 by 4. What is LCM here? LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Okay, so now multiply here minus 4 into 5 minus 20y plus 4 2 is 8 and multiply by 3. 3 9 is 27. Okay, this is equals to minus 20y and 27 and 8, that is 35. Okay, whole divided by 12. Okay, so x minus 3 by 2 whole square, x minus h whole square is equals to, okay, so now separate this 12 for both the terms. Okay, if you separate the terms, or otherwise 1 by 12 into 1 by 12 into, okay, so 1 by 12 into minus 20y plus 35. Okay, so take this minus 20 common. If you take minus 20 common, okay, from the numerator, y and plus 35 minus 20 common means we get minus. Okay, minus term becomes plus and plus term becomes minus. 35 divided by 20 we get, whole divided by 12 as it is. Okay, now we can cancel. Okay, so what table we can cancel? 4 table is possible. 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Any more here? Okay, 5 table. 5 4s are 20 and 5 7s are 35. 5 7 times 35. Okay, so that is nothing but, so what we get here, x minus 3 by 2 whole square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square is next. Okay, so write in the next page, x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equals to and minus 5 by 3 into y minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 3 into y minus 7 by 4. Okay, so check it once, x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 5 by 3 into y minus 7 by 4. Okay, so now, okay, so check it with table, x minus h whole square is equals to, okay, so it is in the form of, okay, tell me, check and tell me first, by comparing with, check and tell me first from the table, x minus h whole square is equals to minus 4a into y minus k. Check the
Eighth
table.
one, sir.
Okay, which one is this?
Eighth one.
Yes. Okay, so this is vertically downward. Okay, so the parabola is vertical downward. Okay, so this is a vertical downward parabola. Downward parabola. Okay, is it correct or not? By comparing with, okay, so equation, what is h value? Minus h is equals to minus 3 by 2, h is equals to 3 by 2. And minus k is equals to minus 7 by 4, k value is 7 by 4. Okay, here you can write this minus 4a form directly, or otherwise, okay, you can compare directly. Minus 4, minus cancel, 4a value. 4a value is 5 by 3, minus 4a is minus 5 by 3, 4a is 5 by 3. Okay, what is a value? Okay, so a value is 5 by 3 into 4. If you take it to the right side, divided by 4, that means 5 divided by 3 4 is 12. 5 by 12 is the a value. After getting the a values, now check the properties and tell me what he is asking. What he is asking, based on that, okay, so we answer. Okay, what he is asking, first he is asking the vertex. What is the vertex of this parabola? Anybody? Vertex is equal to a is equal, tell me fast.
H comma k.
Very good. H comma k is the vertex. What is h value? 3 by 2. What is k value? K value 7 by 4. Okay, so After that, what he is asking after vertex, he is asking the focus. Just to tell me the focus. Focus S is equals to vertically downward. Okay, we are subtract A from K. Up and down means we add and subtract from K value. Left and right means we add and subtract from H. Okay. Now tell me fast. Focus. Tell me fast.
H comma K minus A.
Yes, H comma K minus A. Okay, what is H value? 3 by 2 and K is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 minus A is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Okay, so that means this is equals to 3 by 2 comma, so LCM is 12. 4 3 is 12, so multiply by 3. 3 7 is 21 minus 5. 21 minus 5. This is equals to 3 by 2 comma 21 minus 5. What is 21 minus 5? That is 16. 16 by 12. 16 by 12. So take the 4 table. Take the 4 table. Okay, that means 4 4 is 16. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. Okay, so what we get here? What is the value here? 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. Okay, so after that, what he is asking after the focus, he is asking equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Okay, tell me anybody first. Equation of directrix.
Y is equal to K minus A. I mean K plus A.
Tell me once again. Y is equal
Y is equal to K plus A, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. So here, focus and directrix coordinates approximately similar. Here K minus A, subtracting A from Y coordinate. So at the same time, equal distance, right? Add K. Okay, so by adding K, we get the directrix. Y is equals to K plus A, or Y minus K plus Y minus K minus A equal to 0. Instead of that, remembering like this is better. Okay, Y is equals to K. Okay, what is K value? 7 by 4. Okay, and A value, that is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Okay, so that means taking LCM, LCM is 12. LCM is 12. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 7s are 21 and 5. 21 and 5 is 26 divided by 12. Okay, so any table? Yes, 2 table. 2 13 times, 2 6 times. Okay, so now here 6 is dividing, if you take it to left side. Okay, 6 into Y is equals to 13. We can write, or otherwise 6Y minus 13 equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. After directrix, what he is asking? He is asking the axis of the parabola. Okay, axis. What about the axis, ma? Anybody first? Axis. What is axis?
X minus H is equal to 0.
Yes, x minus h is equal to 0 or x is equal to h. Okay, so x is equal to h means x is equal to okay, so that this implies